Welcome back for another AGIX price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be giving you areas that AGIX needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours for us to continue expecting higher prices, and also pullback target areas in case we continue seeing further weakness on the charts. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, AGIX is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We also continue to hold above the $0.021425 mark, which is an area of support, and as long as we continue holding above it, we can expect another push to the upper side in a move that can give us a break above resistance at around the $0.2604 mark, and a break above that with a retest. Then we can easily see AGIX get above the $0.3 mark in the next coming days. Alternatively, in case we continue seeing further weakness, losing our $0.214 mark, which is an area of support, then we can expect further pullback to the $0.2 mark, where we have our next key area of support. And all this is playing out after we saw this massive push to the upper side after seeing much of a consolidation down here. And you can see that we saw the massive breakout, breaking above significant areas of resistances. And since there are high chances that maybe at some point we are going to see much of a cool down after seeing this explosive move to the upper side, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the lows that we made down here on the 18th of October to that high, we get a minimum target area within which we can expect a pullback into before we can continue getting impulsive to the upper side. And that is an area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.2145 mark and the $0.19291 mark. And this is an area that we can expect a pullback into in case we continue seeing further weakness in the next coming hours. And within this area, we can expect this area to also act as support, and this is a reversal area within which we can expect a massive bounce to the upside, break above resistances, and continue gearing up. And on the worst case scenario, in case we lose this blue target area, then I will be expecting a more bearish scenario here on the AGIX chart, in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 18th of October here on the charts. And now jumping to the daily chart to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis and what we can expect on the AGIX chart once the bull market starts. You can see that back in 2022, we saw these lows down here before we saw that massive push to the upside, giving us a high above the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of these wave 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum target area highlighted on the chart using this blue target area. And since we have fully maximized the target area, there are high chances that we now have lows in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we can get impulsive in the formation of this wave 3, where I'm expecting AGIX to get above the $1 mark, and that target area can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1.17084 mark. So that is the minimum that I'm expecting AGIX to do on the long term. And those were my pullback target areas, and I hope that video was of much help to you.